Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can unmatch in your Tinder app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your Tinder app. So once you open your Tinder app, all you need to do is simply press on the conversation like option and then select the person you were matched with. So once you select the person, all you need to do is tap on its profile, and once you tap on its profile, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply scroll through his profile, and at the end you can find the unmatch option. So now on unmatch and press on yes unmatch, which will lead you to be unmatched with that person. So this is how you unmatch on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.